Hello everybody! Let's clean some windows. Here's my lineup for 2025. I've got some vintage 1988 Spick and Span in the bucket. 4 capfuls of this Unger Easy Glide glass cleaner. And I will put a squirt or two of the, I think this is actually Ajax dish soap in there in the water, just to make sure the squeegee slides smoothly. For this caulking and white portion of the window, it's going to be getting some Super Clean. The friendly folks at Super Clean sent me another couple bottles of product, so I needed that kind and ready to go. Unfortunately, we're going to have to slum it with the leading national brand here on the glass cleaner, because that's what I've got and that's what I'm going to be using. So I already got some stuff mixed up in the bucket, and go ahead and add the dish soap. That should be plenty. So I'll get this bucket filled with water, get my squeegee going, got to pop off the screens. As usual, I'll do this kitchen window in real time and then do time lapse on the remaining windows. Let's get started. Everything's all mixed up in my bucket. The squeegees are ready to go. And while I'm cleaning the window, that can dry. Onto the window. Super Clean is applied. One tool not shown, the scrub brush. Give it a rinse. And a spray. And time to start washing. And time to start drying. And that looks adequate. Had one spot there that was a little stubborn, so we'll go one more time there. I think my squeegee's about had it. Not quite getting it like it used to. So let's time lapse and continue. And one down. Let's get the time lapse going. Well, the outside windows are just about cleaned. Got the back done that faces west. As you can see, got done just in time. Because the sun's about to start hitting on the wall there, and it's going to get hot back here. This south facing wall I will have to do this evening, because it's way too hot over here right now and the water would dry too fast. However, I have these two done, as well as this one and that one. So while I'm waiting on the sun to go down a little bit, I'm going to get started on the inside of the glass. Then once I get that done, we'll probably take the blinds down and give those a good cleaning. So we'll head inside and get started on the inside of the windows. And with just moments of daylight to spare, all the windows are clean inside and out. So once again, Fall Deep Clean 2025 window cleaning. Thank you for watching.